In this video, I will share with you websites that will provide you with opportunities to get paid. Hey extraordinary people, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. If you are new here, please consider becoming a regular. My name is Nadine, and on this channel I talk about side hustles, work from home jobs, making money online, and social media tips. I just want to thank you first of all for your support and love every time that you have watched, liked, or shared my videos. I appreciate this greatly as this helps the growth of my channel and our community. Our first website is Digistore24. More sales, less work for the advanced marketer. On Digistore24, you can choose to become a product seller, meaning you will be selling your own products, or you can become an affiliate. Affiliate sales is when you help to promote another person's products and you earn commissions from the sales that you promote on your respective social media platforms or whichever means you use to promote affiliate links. Digistore24 is an online sales platform that offers you an integrated online store, an affiliate network. It's free to sign up, so you can start by clicking here, or you can go up to the register now button. In this case, I'm going to tap on the register now button. You'll be required to put in a public username, something unique that you have created. Go ahead and add your email address, your password. You'll be required to confirm your password by repeating it. And here it is going to be asking you to select which form of revenue source you'll be using on the platform. If you will be operating as a vendor where you sell your own products, or as an affiliate where you promote the products of other vendors. And as I explained before, you'll earn a commission from that. After you've decided which of these two you'll be using, you will be required also to read their B2B contract or the business to business contract and their privacy policy, and then you accept them. After you're through, you can go ahead and browse the marketplace tab. Now the marketplace is where you will see the different products and their categories that you can choose from. Let's take a look on their frequently asked questions section. You can find that at the bottom of the page. The first question here is, why should I use Digistore24? So as a vendor or an affiliate, these are some of the information that Digistore has provided. We take business processes like sales, bookkeeping, and more off your hand. You gain precious time to focus on your business and the important things in life. They take care of payments. They provide you the world's most secure servers, and it is risk-free. You only pay for a small share after you make a sales. So this is as a vendor. As an affiliate, they provide you one of the largest marketplaces with 44 niches and over 8,000 products. You earn up to 70% and more in commissions. They pay you weekly and accurately. It's 100% free for you. How does your reseller model work, and what's in it for me as a vendor? Digistore24 sells your products on your behalf. That means they take care of your back office processes while you take care of your business. You might also want to know if it is really risk-free for you. Yes, they don't charge their product sellers until they make a sale. Go ahead and browse the rest of the frequently asked questions as well as check for additional information on their website. The next website we're going to be showcasing, TutorJob. Start tutoring online with TutorJob. Will allow you to talk with persons from around the world. Join our community of 12,000 plus online tutors from all over the world. Feel free to browse their website, their about page, and ensure that you have the information that they have provided for you. TutorJob community benefits. They offer you growth, support, and bonuses. And you can start your application by applying to become an online tutor right now. So there are subject areas such as English, German, French, and as you browse the page you can see recent tutor experiences on the website. So they serve 30 plus countries, 300 plus universities, 100 plus student organizations. So if you wish to know more about this website, you can go to this section, the frequently asked questions section, and it gives you information on how you go about becoming an English tutor, what are the requirements for becoming a language tutor with TutorJob, how much you will get paid as an online tutor if you apply via TutorJob, what kind of students you will be teaching, and what kind of support they offer you. So feel free to check this website out. So if you're interested, tap on the Become an Online Tutor button, and it says here get paid to chat with English learners today. Have one-on-one online video chats. No experience is required. Whether you have worked in customer service or support, or you're a teacher, a copywriter, or a babysitter with some free time, or a student seeking an internship to enhance your communication skills, this is the perfect job for you. They offer an exceptional tutoring experience designed especially for you. And here are the steps for you to get started. 1, apply via their website in 30 minutes. Start earning within 5 days. And get certified and advance to US $22 per hour. Alright, so if you're interested, check out this website. It is tutorjob.org. Make sure that you're applying from this section here. Alright, so it says get paid to chat with English learners and start working in 5 days. So you'd put in your first and last name and your email address and hit the apply button to complete the steps that they require of you. It is also stated on the website, it says that online tutoring is for you if you enjoy making meaningful connections with people from diverse backgrounds, if you seek the freedom and flexibility of working online, if you're a native English speaker with a computer and fast and stable internet connection, and if you have a fast, reliable internet connection. Alright, so guys, check this opportunity out and apply. The next website we'll be looking on today is TranscribeMe. As a transcriptionist, it means that you listen to audio or video files and change it to a text document. Experienced transcribers can earn between $15 to $30 per hour. The quicker you are able to type, the more efficient you will be at this kind of job. Become a freelancer today. We have the industry's best rates. So number 1, create an account. 2, connect your PayPal. 3, take the entrance exam. Alright, so let's go ahead and tap on the Become a Freelancer button, and I'll just walk you through. I'll see what they have here for you. So become a freelancer and start earning anywhere. Join the TranscribeMe professional freelancer community and start working on projects from anywhere, anytime. Monetize your downtime with the industry's highest pay, starting at $15 to $20 per audio hour. On average, $250 monthly earning, and special teams earn $60 to $70 plus per audio hour. We offer advanced opportunities for our special teams that include medical and specialty styles, which pay even higher rates. So you could go through the website and learn more about what they have to offer. It says it has the flexibility and career growth. Our freelancers allow you to earn money from anywhere, or freelancer jobs, allow you to earn money from anywhere you'd like, while paying you competitively and providing career growth opportunities. Freedom and flexibility. Work from the comfort of your home, on the road, or anywhere, really, whenever you want and how much you want. Transcribe short 2 to 4 minutes clip, not long interviews. When one clip is complete, our system sends another to transcribe. There is no limit to how many can be processed consecutively. So that in itself is a good thing. So reading that, it states that you will not be out of audio or video to transcribe. All right, so let's go back up to the top here. Click on Start Freelancing. Add your first name, last name, the country, the region, your email, your password, and agree to their terms of service and privacy policy. Hit that sign up button. I really do hope that at least one of these companies are of interest to you and that you'll be successful on your sign up. Let's continue. The next website on our list today is Steps. Steps is a translation company. If you're interested in becoming a translator or an interpreter, this might just be the job for you. In order to become a translator, there are 3 steps that you need to complete. First of all, you need to sign up and go ahead and read their etiquette guide, and you will find this where you see here written, sign up and join our large network of local language talents. Alright, so they have provided information where you should sign up. I'm not going to click on that just now. I'm going to give you a quick overview of some of the things that they offer. Secondly, you need to qualify. To ensure the best translation quality, they work with senior linguists who review all translations. 3, work it. You can start working straight away. Steps will assign you clients based on your talents and on your ratings. You can go ahead and watch a tutorial that is highlighted here. Step represents many language talents from all over the world. Over here, I'm going to click on languages, and then I'm going to also open up the list of languages that are available on this website. All right, scrolling down, you can see from A to Z the different languages that are on display. Click on this drop down and it opens up a lot more languages. So if you are adept at speaking different languages and you wish to become a translator or an interpreter, this might just be the job for you. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, you will see different sections relating to customers, about the company, about Steps, and this section for linguists, and there are extras. Whether you're going to become a translator or an interpreter, you can go ahead and click on either of these 2. Before we go any further, I wish for you to see a basic cost factor, their prices or the different tasks that are offered here on the website for the different translation tasks. Online translation jobs for professional linguists and freelance translators. Alright, so how this website works, they give you the information in terms of the different translation jobs that you can do, as well as the cost for each job. The ones that are highlighted in gray are those that someone else has taken. All you have to do is scroll down the list and look to see which one of these tasks are open to you and which one you can participate in. Okay, NMC's World family, if you guys have made it this far in the video, thank you so very much for watching. Please remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bells for upcoming job opportunities, side hustles, making money online tips. Now, I said before that I wouldn't just start off by saying tap here to sign up, right, without giving you an overview. So if you want to become a translator, this is what this section of the video looks like. So it says here, become a Steps translator, put your translation skills to work and earn money. Now you have to complete the first part of the requirements in order to proceed, right? It's a step by step. So you'll be required to put in your email address, your password, and confirm your password. Then you move on to add your profile information. If I should tap on this right now, it's going to prevent me from proceeding because you have to put your email, your password, and confirm before, and then you're going to go over to languages and industries. It says by signing up, you agree to steps, terms of use. As you can see, this is highlighted in red, where you can go in and check out their terms of use as well as their privacy policy. Now, there are a lot of times when you won't understand all of the details pertaining to this. However, at least give it a once over, anything that you're signing up for. So even a basic idea of what you are getting into, you should read their terms of use, their privacy policy, and move on to the next step. Now, I will not be able to take it to the next step because if I go in to sign up for this right now, this is going to prevent me from proceeding if I should move from account login to profile information. All right, so before we close out today's video, I want to encourage you again, family. Well, I won't say again. What I really want to encourage you to do when you're watching videos that are offering you help with jobs, always make sure that you check out the frequently asked questions. Why am I saying this? Because some persons basically watch a portion of the videos and then they ask a lot of questions that are in the very palms of their hands. All right, so I'm going to tap on the help center, and this will open up to where you can have some of your questions answered. Scroll down, and of course, some persons fail to utilize this section when it comes to watching videos that can benefit you. Now, if you can't spend the time to check out the frequently asked questions, you're going to run into problems when you apply for these companies. All right, so let's tap on that. Family, always remember. So here you can see information and questions. For example, what is STEPS? They tell you what this company is about briefly. And guys, the frequently asked questions section is always summarized, so it doesn't take a lot for you to get a general understanding of what is required of you, right? How do I sign up as STEPS translator? Information is there. What if I forget my password? Information is there. What kind of profile picture should I use? They tell you what they require. How can I make my profile stand out? Can I add more languages to my profile? How long does it take before my profile is approved? How can I delete my account? When can I start? How can I get translation jobs? How do I accept a job? What are the deadlines for STEPS projects? And of course, you can see there are 3 tabs here. So go ahead and check that out, guys.
NMC's world, extraordinary people from around the world. NMC's world, we care for each other, we're sisters and brothers, it's true. Whether we're near or far, you are my shining star. No need to roam, this is your